Trent-Barton fleet covers over 22 million miles a year. Some vehicles cover over 100,000 miles a year. We have services that operate 24/7. So any equipment, any device, any early warning system that alerts the drivers to any problems with wheels and tyre pressures, etc. is a real benefit. First introduction with WheelieSafe was a meeting with the two founders, one of which I've known for a long time in the industry. It was a great proposition. Wheel loss is every transport manager's biggest nightmare, so any product that helps to detect wheel loss before it happens is a real boon for any transport manager and any director. So we've been engaged with them right from the very beginning, and we were one of the original pilot companies to test the equipment. So WheelieSafe brings enormous benefits, not just in detecting wheel loss at early stages, but also in monitoring constantly tyre pressures, tyre temperatures and hub temperatures.